In the sleepy rural Victorian town of Ararat lies a company steeped in history, one that's been churning out quality wood heaters and agricultural equipment since 1946. There were many factors that contributed to the success of family-owned and run Gason over the years, but the biggest was perhaps its ability to embrace change and remain relevant in an ever-evolving market. From humble beginnings as a motor trimming business over 70 years ago, Gason now manufactures a diverse range of products, from agricultural equipment to caravans and wood heaters. The company was established by Frank Gason, who started off with some vehicle trimming and panel beating work before moving on to making tractor cabs with the help of his son, Les.
Tractors didn't have cabins back in those days, and Frank actually designed a cabin for a farmer, and as time went on things led to other things, and eventually we were the largest cabin manufacturer in the Southern Hemisphere.
Back in the day, Gason was making tractor cabins for all the large manufacturers, including International Harvester and John Deere. However, as time went by, those companies started making their own tractor cabins, leading Gason to rethink its business model.
We had a very dedicated staff at that point in time, and it was decided to move into agricultural product because that's what everyone out there in the farming community knew us of, because having a Gason cab. So Les and Frank teamed up with another company called Hinika over in America, and we brought in under license a range of agricultural products. Then in time we designed our own products, which we totally designed and manufactured here in Ararat to what we have here today.
Today, Gason is led by Frank's grandsons, Wayne Gason and Greg Gason. Currently employing over 125 people, the business has been at its current site at Blake Street, Ararat since 1965.
Currently we have around 3.24 hectares under cover, and that includes areas for our laser cutting, bending, welding, robotic welding, shop blasting, paint preparation, painting, powder coating and assembly.
While a big part of the business revolves around its wood heaters, the company also directs significant attention to its range of agricultural implements, including seeders, spreaders, cultivators, mowers and slashers. In fact, its ag products have picked up awards at local field days for their innovative designs. Its 12.8-ton spreader, with widespread spinner discs that allow the spreading of pelletized fertilizer out to 36 meters, was runner-up at the Elmore Australian Machine of the Year Awards.
Our machines are designed specifically for Australian applications and practices and conditions. The quality of the Gason product is renowned, and also the design and the reliability of the product is highly regarded in the industry. Over the last year we've released our larger range of high capacity seeders. We manufacture our largest seeder is 21,000 litres, which is quite a large seeder. We've also released our 12-tonne fertiliser spreader, and we released that last year, and that has been a real success for us. We're also, with planters, we have a number of new planting bars on the development table at the moment, which we're working on. We have a strong team of engineers upstairs.
Another new development was the addition of load cells to its range of high-capacity seeders, allowing farmers to measure how much product they have in the bins.
There's things on the move all the time, things in the pipeline, and we have a commitment to continually improving our product, but also looking at where the market is going and trying to keep up with that market.
In recent years, the company has expanded into the recreational vehicle space with the acquisition of Trackmaster caravans and Pioneer campers.
As you know, it is challenging as a manufacturer in Australia, but being a family-owned company and in a small town, We find we've got the flexibility to be able to manipulate what we're doing fairly quickly and diversifying into other products when we need to. We're about to announce an expansion of our business from a laser cutting and folding point of view. And this investment we're going to make as a family-owned company is a $6 million investment, which we believe is fantastic news for our employees, but also for Ararat as a whole.